This is week 11 video where we start venturing out to taking away from the tens. Okay, so just like number 5, where we took away from number 5, from the 5, we start exploring taking away from the 10. So first of all, remind them the number 10. Okay, 1 and 9 are big friends who make 10. So if we start with 10 and 1 goes away, who is left? It's 9. And if we got 10 and then 9 goes away, who is left is 1. Okay, so using this understanding, then they can do takeaway. Now again, we don't want them to use any finger counting, and the same it will be true. So first of all, work out on the number 10 first for different numbers, and then you can then move on to number 100. If you start with 100 and 10 goes away, who is left is 90. Start with 100 and 90 goes away is 10. Okay, from this understanding, then we say, okay, how does this understanding help us in completing question like 12 take away 9? Okay, usually at school, you probably start with 12 and then start counting on the fingers, counting backward 9 times. Now, the danger of counting backward 9 numbers is weaker children will tend to make the mistake. Okay, and the other thing, or you can start from 9 counting forward to 12. We don't want to them to make the mistake through the counting. The easier way will be, by now they should know 12 is made of 10 and 2. Okay, the analogy that we are going to give them again, you go to the shop with £12 in your pocket, made of £10 notes. They usually understand this when you talk about money, going to the shop and spend money. Okay, made of £10 notes and two coins, 2 £1 coins, and you need to pay for something £9. So which of your money is enough to pay for the £9? Do you actually need to take out the £2? No. So you use the £10. Okay, so go next door. So always check if the unit is enough to take away unit. If it's not enough, leave it as it is. Leave it in your pocket and go next door and borrow a 10. So 10 take away 9 is 1. So £1 change add up to the £2 is £3 left. £3 left. Okay, so the answer is £3. So this is a good question to show them. For example, we do another one. So 15 take away 8. Okay, units take away units. Think of £10 and £5. Is 5 enough to pay for £8? No. So leave it in your pocket. Go next door. 10 take away 8 is 2. And put it, the £2 change in your pocket. You got £5 initially. 5 at 2 is 7. So, once you've done this, get them to complete page 47. This table are all, you need them to partition them. Now, before then perhaps it might be better to show them, well, what if you, how do you do this question? Okay, 17 take away 6. As always, we do unit take away unit, partition this into 10 and 7. Is 7 enough to take away 6? Yes, so unit take away unit. 7 take away 6 is 1 unit. And £10 take away nothing is £10. 10 at 1 is 11. Now, some children will get a bit muddled up by question like 19 take away 16, for example. Again, tell them we always do. Well, on the subtraction, I will recommend we always work take away 10 to the 10s and then units to the units. Okay, do the 10s first. So 10 take away 10 is 0. 9 take away 6 is 3. So 0, 3, but we usually discourage them to write down the 0 in front of the 3, just the 3 units.